In this video, I will make a HYPERTUFA amphora for garden. For its base, I am going to take an old, damaged vase, saw her handles off, and make new handles from a wire. First, let's create a shape using ordinary mortar. The mixture is 1 part of Portland cement and 2 parts of sand. I'm soaking the fabric with the mixture and wrap the leg, handles and neck of the vase. Wrap it in a film for several hours so that the cement does not dry out quickly and hardens well. I'm covering the entire slippery surface of the vase with a cloth so that the next layer of cement adheres well. In places of bending, press the fabric with a rope to give a desired shape. I want to make the surface of the amphora porous, like tufa stone. For this purpose, I use a material called HYPERTUFA. It consists of 2 parts of Portland cement, 4 parts of sand, and 1 part of turf. First, let's make a base. I'm adding to the radius 2 centimeters for the wall thickness. Insert a wire around the base to fasten it to the amphora walls. When the base is well set, I place the vase on it. HYPERTUFA solution is exactly the same as I used for the base: 2 parts of Portland cement, 4 parts of sand, and 1 part of turf. To obtain the desired shape, several layers of the grout have to be applied. You must give a time for each layer to get hard. I have given the amphora an aged look by cleaning the surface with a metal brush. This process opens the pores with turf, which I'm going to wash with water later. To obtain a color you want, add corresponding colorants into the deep penetration primer. I didn't like the color, so I brighten it up with white paint.